Welcome back, dear students, to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. Coming with the latest news for you all. Now, we are thinking about what the news is all about. So, without wasting any further time, let's move on. See, this is a notice which has been delivered to the different institutions as well as colleges under AICT control. AICT stands for All India Council for Technical Education. Let me zoom it. Now see, let me zoom it a little bit more so that you can have a look. Yes. Now see, this is All India Council for Technical Education and dated 15th April 2020, and there is a reference number also mentioned, as you can see over here. The reference number is also mentioned, and subject instruction to institutes or colleges during lockdown 2.0 regarding it is something really interesting. And why this video I am showing you, there is definite reasons for it, right? Now it mentioned that as we all are aware, our country is going through a national emergency that has arisen due to outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, and hence is currently observing a lockdown till 3rd May 2020. Good. Now just let's think about it, that Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, White Order number this 40 dash etc dated 15th of April 2020 has issued consolidated revised guidelines on the measures to be taken by ministries, departments of governments of India and other establishments for containment of COVID-19 in the country. Now, if you're thinking that it is all about COVID, no, it is of your interest. Now, there are certain things. First of all, payment of fees. ICT have got the information that certain standalone institutions are forcing their students to for paying the fees. So, until and unless the normalcy is restored, they not only requested but they gave them an order not to ask for fees from the colleges. I mean, college should not ask for the fees from the students. Next part is the payment of salary to faculty members. This is not your part, and let me go to the second page, which is one of the most important. Let me zoom it. The first is discouraging fake news. Various interest groups, individuals are circulating fake news on social media platforms, thereby creating misinformation and rumors. Discouraging any such fake news and reporting the matter to concerned authorities would be prime responsibility of all stakeholders. It is also advised that any information published on the official website of MHRD, UGC, ICT only may be relied upon. Hence, these websites may be regularly pursued for any update. Similarly, for other government circulars, official websites of the concerned ministries, departments may be referred to. So do not refer any other unofficial websites. So what I was trying to say. Next is a Prime Minister Special Scholarship Scheme is there. Due to ongoing lockdown and restrictive access to internet, the initiative or the activities pertaining to this Prime Minister Special Scholarship Scheme for the academic year 2020-2021 has been delayed. So it will be notified later. Online courses, regarding they are talking about the way the online courses were going on, it should go on. And internship, they are talking about those who are not able to doing their internship due to lockdown, and they have to do it in the month of December. 2020. And they also ask sharing of internet bandwidth with the college as well as institutions, so that can also be done. And at last we have all colleges or institute must strictly adhere to this instruction, failing which action will be taken as per the prevailing rules. This is central government, they can take action against the institutions, right? Because UGC is the supreme body, AICT is also a supreme body in technical education, and it is given by Professor Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, to all AICT approved colleges and institutions across India. So, my dear students, I hope you people understand that don't believe in rumors, and try to find out the exact news until and unless it is published or notified from the government websites. Please do not believe it. It's some request from my side, and that request has also been put in a letter format with reference number by AICT. UGC is also going to circulate this within 2-3 days, this same kind of thing, right? So state government, they are having own decisions, but still we need to wait for from the confirmation from the universities, as well as uh, this central government, they are having their own bodies, UGC, ICT, MHRD, etc., higher educational institutes body. So all this combining together, when they will give the official notice, then only you have to believe. Otherwise, you know what, nowadays in social media as well as media and all other, they are basically looking for their own profit. What that is mentioned into over there, like this point, this discouraging fake news, point number 3. So please keep your mind cool, hate cool, and all the best for your final examination. With this, we come to an end to this session. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, please do subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for getting the latest notification, and the only channel with proper proof. Means here we'll get the right information at right time. Thank you very much.